welcoming you all back to our second round, which is going to be all about EV chargers. And just to conclude that first round, the score is currently sitting at 3-9. So the first question for you guys about the EV chargers is, which type of electric vehicle charger is commonly found at homes and provide faster charging than a standard household outlet? Would this be a level 1 charger or a level 2 EV charger?
Level 1.
Level 1?
I think it's level 2.
Level 2? So in regards to that one, the type of electric vehicle charger commonly found at the home that provides faster charging is the level 2 charger. Unlike level 1 chargers, they use a standard 120 volts household outlet, whereas a level 2 charger uses a higher voltage and offer a more efficient and quicker charging experience for the customer. Okay, so moving on to question number 2 for you guys. What is the unit used to measure the capacity of the charging station's power outlet? So would this be in kilowatts or would this be in volts?
Definitely volts.
Volts?
Yeah, volts.
Volts? So in regards to that one, you are both actually incorrect. The unit used to measure the capacity of a charging station power outlet is actually the kilowatt. So this measurement tells us how much power the charging station can deliver to the electric vehicle. It's like quantifying how much energy the station can transfer to your vehicle's battery per hour. So this one's actually a very interesting one to see what your answer would be. So what is the estimated time required to fully charge a typical EV charger with a level 2 home charger? So do you think it would be around 6 to 8 hours or 45 minutes?
45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Yeah, I'll go 45 minutes
45
as well.
minutes? So in regards to that one, you are actually both incorrect again. So when using a level 2 home charger, the estimated time required to fully charge that EV charger is around 6 to 8 hours typically. This time frame can vary depending on factors like the vehicle's battery capacity and the charging station's power outlet, but of course it would be important to plan for this when considering charging times. Okay, so as we are heading into question 4, I'll give you all an update on the score. So we are still sat at 3-10. Going into question 4, so what is the name of the location on the EV where the charging portal is connected to the battery? So would this be the charging port or would this be the charging hatch?
You can go first.
I'll go to the charging port.
Charging port?
I'm going to have to agree it's the charging port.
Okay, perfect. So you've both got it correct. The term for the location on the electric vehicle where the charging cable is connected is called the charging port. So this port is usually located on the side or the front of the vehicle and is where you plug the charging cable. It's like the connection point between the vehicle and the energy source. Okay, so in regards to that bonus question that we have at the end of this EV charging round, the bonus question for you guys is, what is the common term for the stress associated with EV vehicles? So we're referring to the concerns about running out of battery on the side of the road before reaching a charging point or not knowing where the next charging point is. So would the correct answer for this one be range anxiety or change phobia?
Oh, probably range anxiety.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Range anxiety?
Yeah.
So absolutely. The correct answer for this one is called range anxiety. It's actually a real concern for some drivers, but the growing charging infrastructure and improvements in battery technology, range anxiety is becoming less of an issue. Perfect, so coming to the end of our second section of this quiz, the score after that bonus question is now 10-17. What we'll do is we'll move on to our next round, which is all about heat pumps.